Americans, taken as a whole, are not that worried about global warming, despite the fact that many scientists and organizations, such as the United Nations, continually tell us about the potentially calamitous impact of the warming of the planet. In our recent March update, worry about global warming was dead last on a list of possible environmental concerns, and although there have been changes over the years, worry about global warming is no higher now than it was back in 1989 when we first asked about it in this fashion. There are a number of explanations for this. One of the most relevant, politics. Democrats are much more worried about global warming than Republicans, and Republicans are most likely to believe that concerns about global warming are exaggerated. Thus, it is clear that many Americans view global warming primarily today through a political lens. That's your Gallup News Minute. I'm Frank Newport, Gallup Editor-in-Chief.